Our Xterra has 68,000 miles on it. It's been on a lot of trails, a lot of dirt roads, and the factory shocks are done. So I started yesterday by soaking everything in PP Blaster. So I knew the shocks were bad. I didn't know they were this bad. I can easily compress them by hand, and this is the rebound. They're both equally bad. And everything goes back in the same way it came out. Now we're moving up front, and we have to take off this front sway bar bolt. The joint is a flexible one. I cannot put an impact onto it or I'll destroy it. So this is called waking the bolt. There are 3 bolts on the top. They're all 14mm. You can reach the closest one with a ratchet, but the last 2 are going to require a wrench. I'm strapping the coil spring down to the table. I had an incident a few years ago where a coil spring compressor let go and the spring went flying, and it didn't hurt me, but scared the shit out of me. This is the second strut. On the first strut, this bolt was a total pain in the ass to take off. So before this goes any further, I'm heating it up, soaking it in PP Blaster, heating it up again, cooling it off, blah, 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 and then waking it up with the hammer again. With the pressure off the bolt, it came off pretty easily this time. We're going to reuse all of these rubber parts here. That's why I used a heat gun instead of a torch on it. And it goes back in the same way it came out. One nuance to this, there are 3 bolts up top, and they are not spaced the same. The 2 in the back are closer together.